Hi everyone, I'm Paige, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a beautiful scarf or sarong like this one into, wait a second, this would be so much better in Hawaii.
Okay, that's better. I'm in Hawaii and I'm going to show you how to make this beach cover-up. Let's get right into the tutorial.
Begin by marking a big X on your paper and measuring out 4 inches on each side and 1 inch up from the center point, then 8 inches down from the center point. Then from those points you're just going to connect them with a curve. Make sure the curve is the same on each side. And this is your neck opening. Now just round the corners just by hand, and then you cut that out and you're ready to create the neck opening. Fold your scarf in half and then in half again to find the center point and mark that, and match the center point of the X with the center point of the scarf. And pin this into place, making sure everything is nice and straight. Then you're ready to cut that out. Just make a little snip and cut around that to have an opening and stay stitch around the entire thing. Once you've got it stay stitched, try this on to see if it fits over your head and adjust accordingly. Now you can use pre-made bias tape or you can make your own, and I'm going to show you how to make a special bias tape. This is on the fold, so you're going to have your piece of fabric on the fold and cut a diagonal piece of bias tape, and this will create a V. This will make a smooth transition when you round that corner that's a V, and you're going to stitch starting from the bottom of the V up to the back. Once you've done that, when the two pieces meet up, you'll just put them together and stitch right where they meet. Then you can clip off the extras and open up that seam and just stitch down that little opening that you missed. And then now it's time to fold over the bias tape. So you're going to fold it over twice and iron it into place to cover up all the raw edges. And from the front you won't see it. So once you do that, iron it and pin it so that when you're stitching, it creates nice, smooth stitches with no wrinkles. Now that that's stitched down, the neckline is completely done. Now you can fold this in half at the shoulder line and match up the sides and the bottom corner. And then you're going to measure around your shoulder, under your armpit, to find out how big of an opening you want. And just mark that. And then however far in you want that to be, close to your chest measurement. And then you can mark farther away from the center on the sides to leave room for the hips and leg movement. And then we're going to connect those 2 points with a tape measure and just mark little dots along that line so that when you're sewing you can follow the dots. After you're done stitching that, you can also stitch buttonholes at the waist if you want to have an optional waistband tie. I'm using fray check just to make sure that when I cut into these everything doesn't unravel and it's nice and secure. And then you're done.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And click the subscribe and the little bell alert to be notified anytime that I post a video. Until next time, go get creative and make a cover-up that you love. Bye.